Hey everyone, and welcome back to the video series called Built for This. Micah Morgan here again with Josh Osmer, and it is set day, as we referenced in last week's video, where we talked about getting the site ready and prepared for set day. We're actually here on set day and standing inside of a house. So it's just after lunchtime. So Josh, kind of just tell us what happened today.
Started swinging the crane at 7, and we have everything panelized. So floor sections are pre-framed off-site, and those come down in 8-foot wide chunks, and we basically put the whole deck together, and then we start putting up exterior walls. And in this case, we jumped to the roof trusses before we did interior walls, just so we had enough room to brace things. But I don't know, what time did you get here today?
I got here just after 9, and you guys were already starting to set the roof trusses. So the floor was already in, the walls were already up, and you know, it was just catching sort of the last bit of it when I got here. So
so set day is just a high energy day. There's a lot going on. There's a crane, there's trucks, there's guys that are taking care of the rigging to you know, be able to lift the stuff,
right?
And just a bunch of guys getting a bunch of stuff done as fast as we can, but also paying attention to obviously the quality, which is number one. We have the clients and some of their friends and family out there, so they're able to see their house getting built.
Sure. And people from the community. We've invited other interested parties. I know there's been some people that I invited as well that I've been talking to about building the Wausau home, and you can just, the fun thing is you can kind of see the excitement from them, just actually seeing it happening and then envisioning that could be my house, right? This is something that I could be experiencing in the next few months, based on the timeline. So yeah, and it's been fun. It's sort of hot. It's kind of catching this last bit of summer weather that we have. But yeah, anyway, we wanted to just again reiterate the set day, the process that happens on this day, the party that we have, and just be able to explain it and show it. So I think that'll wrap us up for today here. We'll be obviously back same time, same place next week. Different topic. We'll be updating you guys on this project as it kind of goes along. I think it would be good just to touch base with that. And yeah, if you guys are interested in starting the conversation, find us on the website, find your local builder. We're always more than willing and able to start that conversation with you. So it's been fun, Josh. Thanks for having us up here, and
thanks for coming.
Yeah, for sure. We'll see you in the next one.
All right,
thanks.